from northern Israel on the second day of the so-called Israel-Hamas ceasefire, and the second day of the second Trump presidential administration after winning his re-election 4 years after losing the last election in 2020, which is a rather remarkable feat for any president to have achieved, since that's only been done one other time, more than 100 years ago. And as the Bitcoin and crypto markets move along on this fine 21st of January day, you'll notice that the different leading assets in the market are doing a very angry little Jack Russell Terrier. He wants to eat my Doge coins, apparently. My Doge coins are at risk around that Jack Russell Terrier. He wants to cannibalize them. So you'll notice that the assets have been moving along very nicely. Yesterday, if you had traded Bitcoin, you could have had a significant move to the upside, like 9% to the upside, 9% back down to the downside. It's like, and of course, intraday on lower time frames, easily rack up 20 points without leverage. Same thing on Solana, right? You could have had easily very high returns yesterday as well, on a day that the traditional asset market was closed because of a holiday in the U.S. Obviously the U.S. traditional markets were closed because of a holiday in the U.S. Think about that. It's really remarkable when you think about it. It is noteworthy and remarkable that in this particular context, right, when even as the markets are quote unquote going sideways, right? Oh, they're in a bull run, but they're going sideways. There's no such thing as bull runs. There's no such thing as bear markets. As a trader of low time frame depths, there's only buy pressure and sell pressure on any given time frame. But yeah, as people will say, oh, the market's going sideways, but we're in a bull run. Okay. First of all, that doesn't make sense. So if you're in a bull run, the market should be going up. But it can have pullbacks, right? Which is why it demonstrates that there's no such thing as a pullback, as a bull run or a bear market. Right? You can have moves to both sides because that's what returns do. They constantly zigzag around the mean of returns, and the price action just follows. Which is why it's insane to think of it as a bull run or bear market. But in any case, let's just pretend, for the sake of argument, that you have a bull run and the market is going sideways. Why would you try to swing trade an asset that's moving more than, Solana from last Monday until yesterday, so 1 week of trading. In fact, from last day, the 13th of January, until Sunday's high at 295 or whatever it was a 75% move to the upside. And then it dumped 25%. And then it dumped again after bouncing back up a little bit to like 270 or whatever. It dumped back down to like 225 again and again. Those kind of returns do not require volatility to have leverage on top of it. Right? Putting leverage on top of that kind of a move, I'm sorry, but that's just foolish. If you're doing that, you are taking a massive risk, and you are eventually going to get wrecked when you are on the wrong side of the trade. Why? Because you're emotionally attached to your trades. Number one. Number two, you don't limit your losses. Right? You don't pull out of your trade. You accept losses. You shouldn't accept any loss. The worst case loss you should accept is, the market fee on a flat trade. pretty much. Okay, or as fast, as close to it as you can get. Oh, bro. Do. Oh, okay. And aside from that, you don't take profits early and often. If you did take profits early and often, and you did limit your loss, and you weren't emotionally attached to your trades, then you wouldn't be in the situation you're in terms of your P&L. You wouldn't be withdrawing from your wallet and depositing it onto the exchange. If anything, you'd be withdrawing from the exchange as if it's your own personal ATM machine with infinite supply. You'd be withdrawing from the exchange and putting it into whatever wallet you want to put money into or need to put money into or whatever. Right? That's what you would do with your profits. Do whatever you like with them. Anyway, that's it for now. Happy trading. See you in the live stream starting at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Bye.